Hi, I'm Andrew Hunter, chef for Kikkoman Sales USA. Today we're going to make beef and broccolini with a multicolored pepper sauce. The idea is to elevate the traditional Cantonese stir fry into something that's more suitable for a casual or fine casual restaurant in a plated dish format. We'll start by preparing our pepper sauce. Whisk together Kikkoman oyster sauce, soy sauce, and multicolored peppercorns that I've crushed. Now for the pepper butter. Mix together softened butter, garlic, green onions, jalapeños, and Fresno peppers with the crushed peppercorns and pepper sauce. Season to taste with salt. Now we'll prepare the tri-tip. Rub the tri-tip with a peanut sesame oil blend and coat it with smashed peppercorns. Heat a grill pan and grill the tri-tip for 3 to 4 minutes on all sides, 8 to 10 in total. Allow the meat to rest before slicing. Let's prepare our vegetables next. Heat a wok over high heat with a peanut sesame oil blend to coat the bottom of the pan. When the oil is smoking, add the onions and mushrooms, shaking and stirring until they're soft and lightly charred. Add the broccolini and a drizzle of oil and stir fry until the broccolini is also lightly charred. Plate the broccolini. Add the pepper sauce to the pan and turn the heat to low. Add a chunk of pepper butter, stirring until the butter is just melted and the sauce is silky. Now we're ready to put our dish together. Arrange the sliced tri-tip on the plate at 6 o'clock and the stir-fried vegetables on the same plate at 12 o'clock. Spoon a generous amount of sauce over the top and enjoy. And here you have it, beef and broccolini with a multicolored pepper sauce. I hope you enjoy it.